Kasi kita tama. Yeah! Sige na, mag-gina. Ang iyong palad kamay sa hirap ng buhay. Nakuha pang umiti. Noipi ka nga. Ako yun! Saan ka man? Roll on.
Sabalin mo.
Sabay yung boxing.
Yung boxing guy.
Hoy! Pinoy ako! No aking loob, mayagimat ang dugo ko. Oh, Pinoy ako.
Yung yung bugok. Kabot ang kay. Alini.
Hold on.
Pause mo.
Post that shit. What song?
Itang kay. Itang Blame It on the Papa. Kaya gana chokar mo.
Blame it on the papa.
Yan. Kaya gana chokar.
What? Blame it on her. The girl's coming.
Ito pala eh.
Blame it on her. Blame it on her.
Isa pa pala. Oh shit. Sino ko ba?
Oh shit. Blame it on her. Cause of her, I messed up. Blame it on her. That girl right there, girl. Don't even trip. She called me a bitch. Oh. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga.
Ay, guys.
Tingin, paano na-upload yung picture video dito? Pwedeng upload yung video sa camera? Yeah? How?
Pati YouTube ako. Upload mo.
Yung upload ang video natin.
No, kami lang, kami.
Tapos sensor niya, nakatawa na sa Facebook.
Walang yan.
Oo, nakin.
Alam mo siya.
Nagkaan pa kayo kahit mga ganyan ka.
Hold on, what's that? That's okay, manager.
Isasok mo nga ito dun
Nigga,
sa
low
kabila.
boy's better, cuz. Low boy still
Okay,
my
sa
name.
kitchen. Ay, hindi na malapit na to.
They call me. What's up, Ese? They call me
Hello,
Bato,
boys.
fool. You know that fool right there, fool.
Sa white bang. Tama sa ikot.
In-reusable ba to?
You know, gangsta fuck, nigga.
If you look at some, you can find.
If you're looking for me and you can't find me, you must be tripping and say, cause I'm not hiding. I'm not a snitch and never told in my life. That's why they say I'm not a bitch and rather die.
Yan.
I was chilling with the brand with Southside.
Ano ba to?
Trying to get high. Yeah!
Yan.
That's long shit.
Ako mo na yun.